cute. Here, I'm so excited for this. I love beauty blenders. Couldn't wait. Please let me have the bag. Let me have the bag. This is the best box ever. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today, it's that time of year. I have the FABFITFUN fall box, finally. And I can't lie, I already peeked into it because I couldn't wait. I've been waiting for so long for this box. I don't know why, I'm just so excited. So let's get into it. So we'll open it together. This is in support of Right Action for Women, the Christina Applegate Foundation. So, like, I just have to say, they do such an amazing job on the box. The box itself, I wish I could always keep, but then I would just be the crazy box lady. Luna, Life's Richer with Rika, our little magazine, and a FABFITFUN card. So I'm so excited. This, I know I say every box is my favorite, but I actually think that this box is going to be my favorite because I already see like some goodies that I'm just absolutely obsessed with. So this is what it looks like. And right off the bat, I'm just going to go right into it, a beauty blender. I love beauty blenders. And for real, my beauty blender is on its last leg, like it's starting to rip. So I am so excited about this. If you have not tried a beauty blender, you are missing out on life. Like, this is amazing. I use it specifically for concealer, and it has just made a world of difference. I go back and forth, but still I find the beauty blender to be my favorite method to apply makeup. This retails for $20, and if you've never also tried a beauty blender, you have to make sure to dampen it before you use it. For years I had a knockoff beauty blender and I didn't get what all the fuss was about because I never dampened it. You have to dampen it. And yeah, so I'm really happy about this. Next up is this Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel, and it's like a chevron gray and white. This is a tea towel. This set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. Oh, see, what I love about FABFITFUN is you always get things that you wouldn't necessarily buy for yourself, but you need or want, like tea towels. I will buy them pretty much on an as-need basis, but like, or I really, really have to love it. But it's not something that's on my list of like, oh, I'm gonna go out and buy some tea towels. So I'm so happy to be receiving these. This is so pretty. It's like, I don't know, it's actually gonna match my kitchen very well, and it feels like very good quality. These retail for $14.99. Under that, ooh, are these 2 Glam Glow Bubble Sheets Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. Ooh, I'm excited to try these. Okay, this is the bubbling one. I've seen these. Oh, I'm so excited about these. I love this. Like, it's Christmas for me. Maybe I should save the winter one and unwrap it at Christmas. Then I would get like extra stuff. That's a good idea. These are $18. Ooh. See, again, something that I probably wouldn't buy myself, but I really, really want. I see we have a Luna Rika bar, cashew butter filled fruit and nut. I don't know what Rika is. Do you know what Rika is? Okay, an umbrella. And seriously, an umbrella is something that I really need and won't buy for myself because I almost feel like it's unnecessary. But this is so cute. And this umbrella retails for $40. Okay, $40. This is a really nice pattern. It's Catherine Malandrino umbrella. Black and white floral. Let's see. Ooh, that's so cute. Look at me. I'm very excited, and it feels like it's really good quality. This is perfect to keep in the car, for school, like, or in my backpack maybe. It's perfect. Next, right under, ooh, yoga. That's what it says, yoga. Detox bath, post-practice and relaxing soak ritual. Made with green mastiha, Mediterranean sea salt, and goji berry extracts for an active mind and bodies. Love this. really excited. I've been very into baths lately. So this is something that I love and will 100% use probably within like a week. This retails for $39.95. Very nice. Okay, next one is Skin & Co. Blue in Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. This sounds incredible, and this retails for $22. I'm going to open it up to smell it. It's funny because I always feel like in the boxes I get things that I really need. So I just purchased a huge thing of body wash, but I totally could have used this like 2 weeks ago. That's nice. Very fresh and earthy. You can tell it's made with like essential oils, but I really, really like this. Ooh, this one got a little bit damaged. Grown Alchemist. Polishing facial exfoliant pink grapefruit. Ooh. So, this. Ooh, I like this bottle. It's metal. This gently exfoliates dry skin to reveal radiant and moisturized complexion. Oh, this is worth $67. This in itself covers the whole box. Wow, I'm very excited to try this. Pop that open. Woo! That smells really good. Oh, that feels so nice. Wow, I'm totally gonna use this tonight. Next, Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Now, you could have got the French press. I forgot to go on and like switch what I wanted. I probably would have gone for the French press, but that's okay. I think that this is really, really cute. I see it on the picture. This retails for $26. Ooh, that's so pretty. And it has the diffuser inside. So pretty. So when I lived in Kansas City, my favorite tea was coconut cream tea, and I cannot find that anywhere here. But maybe it'll be here now. Or I've seen at David's Tea there's like a similar one. So this would be great to diffuse. Sounds so nice. This would be great to diffuse the coconut tea in this. Oh, I love this. This is really cute. I really like this. Okay, and last in here, I'm so excited for this. I'm so happy. So you either got a crown brush set, which I love getting brush sets, but I have a ton of brushes, or you get this Vince Camuto bag, and this retails for $128. Andrew, did you hear that? $128. Okay, and no lie, I was just thinking about how I wish I had a cute fall tote bag, because I have, you know, my Louis Neverfull, but that's more like a purse. But sometimes I want just like a tote to put my computer in or whatever. This is made from vegan leather. It's the black one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let me see if I can stand up and show you. Oh my gosh. How amazing is that? That's inside. Wow. I am so happy that I got this bag. Like, absolutely, like, I'm actually shocked because I really wanted this. I didn't even know that it was in this bag until I opened, or in this box until I opened the magazine. I was like, oh, please, 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 let me have the bag, let me have the bag. And plus I didn't get the French press, so, oh, I don't care anymore. I love this. Oh my gosh. For real, this feels like such good quality. Anyways, this is the best box ever. Best box, I call it. Best box that I've ever received. So if you would like your own FabFitFun box, I will have a coupon code for $10 off your first box down below. Don't forget to click that. Let me know what your favorite product is, or if you also got your own FabFitFun box, if you got anything that I did or the different ones, let me know down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!